Hi, this is Naim Hussain. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple question which is asked in IELTS Speaking Test Part 1. And the question is, where are you from? If you are asked the same question in the speaking test, then how will you answer this? I'll talk about the details in this video. For answering this question, you have to include the following information in your answer. Number one, you have to talk about your hometown, why it is famous for, and also, what about the people of your hometown? If they ask me the same question, then I'll answer this like this. Well, I'm from Pabna, which is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. It lies alongside the Samut River, and it is well known for educational institutions. People of Pabna are very educated. They always give huge priority to the education. And in Pabna, there are lots of quality educational institutions where people get the quality education. As a result, students get good result. At the same time, they become a good human being. Pabna has a lots of industrial, companies. So it is actually an industrial center. It has mills for jute, rice, cotton, sugar, and paper. People of Pabna are always interested to do business because there are lots of options to do business in this area. One thing is very unique in Pabna, and that is mental hospital. There is only one mental hospital in Bangladesh, which is situated in Pabna. People from different parts of the country come here for getting mental treatment. And overall, Pabna is a very tidy up area, and I love it. So that's how we can answer this question. So the most important thing for answering this one is do not try to memorize the answer because it's about you. They want to know about your hometown. They do not want to know about others' hometown. So when you are answering this question, please try to be authentic and give authentic answer. All of us have hometown. So we should talk about our hometown. It will give us confidence and courage at the time of the test, right? So do follow this, and I hope that it will help you to get good marks in the test. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and be with us by liking our page. And that's all for today. Goodbye.